Kapatid, musta? Tara, Bible study tayo. Basahin natin ang 2 Timothy chapter 2 verse 23 to 26. Again, I say, don't get involved in foolish, ignorant arguments that only start fights. A servant of the Lord must not quarrel, but must be kind to everyone, be able to teach, and be patient with difficult people. Gently instruct those who oppose the truth. Perhaps God will change those people's hearts, and they will learn the truth. Then they will come to their senses and escape from the devil's trap, for they have been held captive by him to do whatever he wants. Ang sabi ni Timothy, foolish, ignorant arguments. Upang maiwasan ang pag-aaway at anumang misunderstanding, alamin muna ang buong pangyayari. Hindi bagay sa lingkod ng Diyos ang nakikipag-away. Dapat magsimula sa atin ang kabaitan, ang kahinahunan at pagpapakumbaba. Kapatid, people will not agree with you all the time. Meron at merong mag-o-oppose sa iyo. Difficult people are like mirrors. Ipinapakita nila sa iyo ang mga bagay na hindi mo nakikita sa iyong sarili. Sadyang ipinapadala ng Diyos ang ganyang klaseng mga tao upang mahubog sa iyo ang love, ang care, understanding, ang kindness, ang forgiveness, ang humbleness, at ang service. Because the only way God can use you to help other people in the ministry is to mold you according to the purpose that God has ordained for your life. May calling ka, kapatid. Maging ang ginto ay pinadadaan sa apoy para lalong maging dalisay. Magpakatatag ka at patuloy kang maglingkod sa Diyos. Yun lamang po, mag-iingat kayo and God bless.